Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, guys. This is our third meeting in this month, and then we are going to do speaking skill, that is speech about explore outer space. And before we start it, let's recite basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I have list of students that will present the performance. The first one is Iksan, the second one is Atras, the third one is Rizal, and the last one is Rafi. And the first speaker we have Iksan. So Iksan, are you ready?
Misal.
Okay, so Iksan, please start now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
First of
afternoon.
all, I would like to thank you to Miss Delis,
Okay.
who has given me the opportunity to be here. My name is Muhammad Ihsan Kurnia. I'm from class E, batch 23. I would like speech my presentation is the wonder of space. First, you can see in outline the first definition, cost, benefit, different opinions, and conclusion, and stimulating question. Should we spend money on space or on the Earth? Why?
Of course, because we need a lot of equipments, Iksan.
Exactly. In definition, space adventure fascination many people. The universe in the last infinite and sporadic region for humans. Many people dream of living in space, but space exploration requires more than research, requires expensive research. Space research is very costly. There are opportunity costs. Money used for space could be spent on other needs. And free of providing space program may result in lack of funds for social infrastructure like education, health, or sanitation. And benefit on the Earth, space research has helped humanity in many ways. It has increased our understanding of environmental damage. Modern satellite systems and new material come from past space research. Weather and communication satellites are considered useful investment. Different opinions support belief space research benefit all of humanity and is worth finding. The opponents argue that funds should be used for urgent human needs like food, education, healthcare, and peace. That's all for me. That's material. And the next Q&A session is open.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi. I will question why is the cost of sending astronauts to space so expensive?
Untuk menjawabnya boleh pakai campuran bahasa Indonesia, Miss.
Okay, but try to speak in English ya. It's okay, Iksan.
Oke. Gimana kalau mau menerima itu teh mengulang lagi tuh gimana ya?
Okay, can you repeat your question?
Okay. Can you repeat your question, Raffi?
Why the cost to sending astronaut to space is so expensive?
Okay. Is it clear, Iksan?
Yes. because kekurangan dari bentar, agak kesulitan mengubahnya bahasanya karena because so expensive in berangkat rocket to space in the world. Ini harus karena keuntungan yang didapat tidak sesuai dengan kebutuhan manusia. Itu tuh bahasa Inggrisnya gimana ya?
Oh wait, Raffi asked that, kenapa kalau misal mengirimkan astronot ke luar angkasa itu biayanya mahal? Seperti itu, Iksan. Nah, alasannya kenapa? Biaya mengirimkan astronot ke luar angkasa itu mahal. Kenapa mahal? Tolong cari dulu jawabannya, Iksan.
Oh iya. Karena mahal itu disebabkan aku coba tulis dulu ya jawabannya.
Oh.
Santai aja, San.
Oke, kita diskusikan bersama saja. Menurut Rizal dan Atras, kira-kira apa yang menyebabkan research to outer space is expensive, guys? Let's help Iksan.
Bahan-bahannya mahal, Miss.
Okay, because bahan-bahan or what's like the composition is
Material.
expensive. Material. Okay. What kinds of material, Atras?
The material for the rocket space
Okay.
space aircraft.
Okay, equipment you mean, peralatan, etc. is expensive, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I do agree with you, Atras. And the second one, if the people want to go to outer space, they have to prepare several times before, and of course that needs money. Okay, Iksan?
Yeah.
For example, like if you want to go to outer space, maybe 30 years before it, you have to prepare. Okay, so that's why the cost is expensive. So, okay, do you get it what we discuss? Apa yang tadi disampaikan Antras, poinnya apa, kemudian yang disampaikan saya? Dapat dipahami, Iksan? Boleh kamu sampaikan ke Raffi? Please.
Oke.
Kenapa mahal?
Karena keuntungan yang didapat oleh di luar angkasa untuk kebutuhan manusia itu tidak sebanding dengan pengeluaran yang dikeluarkan disebabkan oleh penggunaan bahan bakar atau material yang didapat akan susah didapat.
Oke. Alasan lain lagi coba Iksan. Besides that. Kenapa mahal keluar?
Karena
keluar angkasa.
Oke. Karena untuk mendapatkan sebuah persetujuan dari negara atau keuangan yang didapat itu tidak bentar.
Oh, what is easier? Authorization? Is it right? Izin itu apa ya? Authorization? To get allowance gitu mungkin ya. Authorization from the government, it's not easy also gitu, Iksan.
Iya.
Okay, and then ada lagi dari Iksan?
Clear, Miss.
Clear, okay. Raffi, tambahannya tadi yang dari Atras ya. Because the materials is expensive, and for me because we have to prepare a lot of years before we go there. Is it clear, Raffi?
It's clear, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Raffi. Please, Iksan, continue.
Okay. In conclusion, you can Understanding the weather does not fully agree with either side that encourage the value of satellites but critiques unrealistic space mission. That one that's over investing in space research might harm social infrastructure in budget are limited. Limited. Oh, yeah. That's all from me. I apologize. I have any mistake.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Wait, I'd like to give you feedback directly ya. Iksan jangan dulu di stop. Tolong kembali ke slide cover. Saya ingin langsung cek. Aduh, terlalu kecil ya. Oke. The Wonders of Space. Oke, ini dirubah berarti judulnya ya. Muhammad Iksan Kurnia, kelas Q LKP Mr. D, backstory. Oke, next. Next, Iksan. Oke, outline-nya. Definition, cost, benefit, different opinions, conclusion. Next. Stimulant question. Should we spend money on space or on Earth? Why? Oh, ini tuh pilihannya. Oke. Next. Actually, this is still full text ya, Iksan. Nanti perbaiki lagi ya. Hanya poin-poinnya saja. Oke?
Oke.
Next, Iksan. Cost. Nah, ini juga sama nih. Oke. Next, Iksan. Benefit. Apakah manfaatnya hanya satu, Iksan?
Tidak.
Tidak. You can put benefits. Ada S-nya ya.
Ya.
Oke. Next, Iksan. Oke. Oh iya, lupa saya. Tadi di benefit Iksan hanya mention manfaatnya saja ya. Tidak dijelaskan apa itu space research help humanity in many ways. Apa itu penjelasannya? Tidak ada penjelasannya ya. Hanya di-mention poin-poinnya saja, right?
Yes, kan aku belum tahu. Udah dibaca tapi tiba-tiba my brain is the loss.
Okay. Next, continue. Different opinions. Okay. Nah, ini masih full text juga. Next. Oh, wait. And is worth finding. Tadi saya dengarnya finding. Fund harusnya funding. Fund itu biaya. Oke. Okay? Kalau finding itu menemukan, Iksan, beda. Jadi di pengucapannya lah fund, funding, oke? Okay?
Oke.
Oke, next. Q&A and the last conclusion. Oke, di poin-poinnya conclusionnya. And the last and the very last. Thank you. Oke. Nah, actually openingnya sudah ada bagus, closingnya bagus. Kemudian di Q&A seperti biasa ya, saya thank you ketika ada yang bertanya, Iksan. Saya thank you terlebih dahulu, kemudian mulai menjawab pertanyaan. Kemudian tolong dicek kembali, nanti rekamannya akan saya kirimkan ke grup kalian. Tolong dengarkan minimal yang kalian masing-masing apa nih yang mispronunciation dari saya. Coba dibuka kembali bagaimana cara pengucapannya ya, Iksan, oke? Oke, thank you so much, Iksan. Dipersiapkan kembali, diperbaiki masukannya, nanti akan dibawakan kembali di ujian ke-8. Thank you, Iksan. You can stop the script. Okay. And now the second speaker we have Atras. Please, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Ms. Delis who has given me the opportunity to be here. My name is Artesidan Awafi from Class Q in LKP Mr. B, batch 23rd. I would like to present my speech as my presentation entitled Explore the Outer Space. Alright, let's begin. For the outline, I have stimulant question, introduction, supporter of space exploration, critique of space exploration, then opportunity cost and Q&A, and conclusion. For the stimulant question is, should we spend billions exploring space while millions on Earth lack of food, clean water, and healthcare?
It depends, I think.
Okay. Next, introduction. The idea of space has fascinated humanity for centuries. The mystery of the universe inspired many people to dream about traveling beyond Earth and even living among the stars. But turning this dream into reality is not easy. Space exploration requires advanced technology and enormous financial resource. This raise an important question. Is inventing this in space exploration worth the cost, or should we focus on solving the urgent problem on here on Earth? Today we'll look at both sides of this debate. Okay, next. Supporter of the space exploration believe it brings huge benefit to humanity. They would argue that space research has helped us better understand environmental damage on Earth and has led to technology we use every day. For example, satellites have improved communication, weather forecasting, and disaster management worldwide. Many modern innovations like solar panel, water filter, and medical technology were originally developed for space programs. Supporters also believe that the investing in space inspires scientific progress and prepares humanity for the future. They dream of visiting other planets and even building space colony to ensure our survival as a species. Next, the critic of space exploration. Why space spending is questioned. Uh, Wait. Exploring space requires enormous financial resource, and this leads us to the idea of opportunity cost. Eh, Critics argue that spending money on space exploration is not priority, especially when so many people on Earth still struggle with basic needs. They point out that million people lack of access to food, clean water, education, healthcare, and even peace for them. These urgent issues should come first. Critics also question whether the benefit of space exploration are truly reaching ordinary people. They argue that while some scientific discoveries are impressive, they often do not have direct or immediate impact on everyday life. In their view, the enormous budget for space program would be better spent solving problems here on Earth. Okay, next, the opportunity cost. Money spent on space cannot be spent on urgent need. For example, in case space every dollar invested in Mars mission cost billion of dollar, and every dollar we can use it for an educational purposes or maybe a health research like cancer research or maybe apa ya bantuan tuh ya,
What?
clean water,
Hmm.
etc. Okay, that's the material. I open the Q&A session.
Okay. Please, who will ask? No one?
Saya bisa nggak, Miss?
Okay, please, Rafi.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi. From class Q, and the question is, why do people think that when people talk about space, there are always those who say it is a waste of time?
Mm.
Because like my okay, thank you for the
Yeah,
question,
good.
Rafi. Because I think people who say that is they can feel the apa ini impact on everyday life,
Mm.
the direct immediate impact on everyday life. Is that enough, Rafi?
Yes, that's enough. Trust. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Okay, langsung aja, Miss.
Okay, boleh.
Satu aja.
Okay.
Okay. For the conclusion is, space exploration has undeniable benefit for science and technology, but it also requires enormous resources. We must carefully balance progress in space while solving the urgent challenge on Earth. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wow, that's great, Atras. Don't stop. Please back to your cover. Kembali ke cover.
Okay.
I'd like to give you feedback directly ya.
Okay. Yeah, Miss.
Okay. Okay, this is the cover ya. Actually the theme like Iksan sesuai sekali dengan title Explore the Outer Space. Atras, don't forget to put capital in initial letter, okay? Explore
Oh iya,
I-nya
Miss, lupa.
capital A, oke. Kemudian namanya juga terlalu kecil ya dengan identitasnya ya. Oke.
Oh iya. Yep.
Kemudian sama capital juga ya untuk nama, kelas, awal-awalnya. LKP itu semuanya capital, M capital, R dan lain-lain. Outline, nah ini juga sama ya, outline O-nya itu besar, oke? Stimulant question, S-nya besar, introduction, supporters of space exploration, critics. Loh, ke bawahnya ada beberapa yang sudah betul ya Atras penulisannya. And conclusion.
Okay, Miss.
Don't forget capital letters in initial, okay? Next, Atras. And this is stimulant question. Should we spend billions exploring space while millions on Earth lack food, clean water, and healthcare? Okay, next, good. Introduction, sama ya. You have to put space. Okay, and then that's really good. Atras, you explain point per point. That's good, Atras. Next.
Okay.
Supporters of space exploration. Okay, that's great. You explain this one also. Next. Critics of space exploration. Okay, that's great also. Next. Opportunity cost, don't forget capital. And then dollars. Okay, good. Next. Q&A. And then next. Conclusion. Good. And the last. Thank you. You only add the capital only ya, Atras. Okay. Okay. Actually, your performance, most of your performance, that's really good. You memorize your opening, your closing, your pronunciation is good enough, and you explain every point. And of course, you say thank you to Rafi because Rafi asked you a question. That's really good, Atras. Thank you so much. You have finished. You can start the share screen. Okay. Okay. Iksan checklist, Atras checklist, and now Rizal. Now is your turn. Time is yours. Okay. So Rizal, are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, Rizal, please start now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Delis, who has given me opportunity to be here. My name is Muhammad Ejal Cahyadi from class Q in LKP Mr. T batch 23. I would like to my present about outer space. Then, before I begin, let me explain the outline of my presentation. In the outline, definition, reason, invention, challenge, and conclusion. Stimulant question. If you had the chance, would you want to live in space someday?
Yes, I want.
Okay.
I would.
Next. Definition. Explore outer space means studying and discovering the universe beyond Earth, including planets, stars, and space mission. Next, reason. Space research help Earth. It's bring now technology, better communication, and help us understand climate and weather. But some say it was because it costs a lot of money and they think we could solve problems on Earth first. Next, invention. Galaxies. Galaxies and nebula. We
Okay.
discovered amazing structure in space like galaxies in space and colorful gas cloud nebula. Big Bang theory. This theory explains how the universe started. Universe expansion. We found out that the universe is still expanding and getting bigger every second. A challenge, high cost. Space mission need billions of dollars. Opportunity loss. Money and research for space could be used to fix problems on Earth. Risk for astronaut. Going to space is dangerous. Astronaut sleep live threatening condition. And then I open a Q&A session.
Okay, please ask one question to Rizal.
Saya Miss.
Okay, boleh. Please, Atras.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Atras Dinan Awafi. I would like to ask, do you think space research help us in daily life?
Okay, thank you, Atras, for your question.
Okay.
Tadi tuh Miss nanyanya tuh apa ya?
Do you think that space research help to your daily life?
Oh, yes, because apa ya? Apa ya? Bahasa Inggrisnya
Apa?
hmm,
Because space research.
aduh. Karena luar angkasa itu bisa membantu berbagai penemuan yang dapat memudahkan kehidupan di bumi.
Okay, because space research or outer space make the people easier to find. Tadi ada di poin Rizal, invention, penemuan.
Oh, invention.
Iya, itu penemuan.
Yang mana ya?
That will help the earth, yang akan membantu bumi.
Better and
Membantu bumi dalam apa, Rizal?
Dalam problems.
Oh, in
problems.
earth problem.
On earth first. Because
on earth problem, okay?
Earth problems. Aduh. Ya.
Okay. If Rizal answer like that, Atras, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, that's clear, Rizal. Your answer is
clear. Okay, thank you. In the next conclusion, exploring space gives us knowledge and useful technology, but it also costs a lot and carries risk. So, while we reach for the stars, we must still focus on solving Earth's problem first. Thank you. That's all for me. I apologize if I have any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you Rizal for your performance and Atras for the question. Please back to the cover, Rizal. Okay, outer space, luar angkasa judulnya ya, masih general sebenarnya, but it's okay. Name, M. Rizal Cahyadi, okay. Kelas Q, batch 23. Batch 23, di mana lesnya Rizal?
Oh iya Miss, lupa nambahin itu.
Nanti tambahkan ya. Oke, Pim Sedi, batch 23. Oke. Next, Rizal, ke bawah. Oke. Outline, definition, reason. Apakah reasonnya hanya satu alasannya?
Tidak, Miss. Tadi
Tidak.
ada 2.
Oke, tambahkan S ya. Reasons, oke?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, invention, challenge, and conclusion. Next, result. Stimulant question. If you had a chance, would you want to live in space someday? Oke, good. Pertanyaannya critical. Next ke bawah. Definition. Nah, sebenarnya ini full text ya, dan tadi Rizal hanya membacakan dan sudah selesai, right?
Ya, Miss, benar.
Nah, nanti poin-poinnya saja, misal studying, discovering, planet, stars, dan lain-lain. Jadi nanti Rizal yang menghubungkan dengan kata-kata ketika menjelaskan, oke?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, next, Rizal. Scroll. Reasons. Nah, ini kan alasannya ada 2 ya.
Ya.
Ada yang setuju, helps Earth. Ada juga yang tidak setuju. It is a waste katanya. Reasonnya tambahkan S ya. Jangan lupa yang tadi.
Oke, Miss.
Next, result. Oh, wait. Ini sebenarnya space-nya masih luas ya, Rizal. Kamu bisa menambahkan size of phone-nya ya. Jadi ukurannya bisa lebih diperbesar. Jadi tidak terlalu kecil.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Kemudian invention ya. Di sini Rizal menambahkan informasi lain dari sumber lain ya. But it's okay, that's good. Tapi dijelaskan apa yang dimaksud galaksis, nebula itu apa, Big Bang Theory itu apa, universe expansion itu apa, dijelaskan lebih detail. Oke?
Oke, Miss.
Next.
Oke.
Good. Challenge. Nah, ini high cost, opportunity loss, risk for astronauts. Oke, tadi ada penjelasannya. Next. Q&A, good. Next. Conclusion, oke. Ini full text sebenarnya. Lebih ringkas lagi ya. Try to. Oke, Rizal?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, next. Thank you ya. Oke, that's good. Mungkin tadi yang masukannya itu fontnya lebih besar karena ada space masih lumayan cukup lega gitu. Kemudian yang masih full text-nya dikurangi. Kemudian yang tadi ada kurang pluralnya juga ditambahkannya, Rizal.
Oke, Miss.
Oke. Kemudian tadi ketika Atras bertanya, Rizal ada say thank you. That's really great. Kemudian untuk kalian semua yang masih penasaran apakah tadi pronunciation-nya sudah sesuai, nanti rekaman ini saya kirimkan ke grup, ditonton lagi yang part kalian. Oh iya, pengucapan tadi salah ya. Gimana pengucapannya? Nah, perbaiki ya. Oke, Rizal dan lain-lain, jangan teman yang lainnya.
Clear, Miss.
Okay, clear. That's great. Rizal, you have finished. Thank you so much for your performance. You can stop the share screen.
Right.
Okay. We have the last participant or speaker, that is Raffi. Please, time is yours, Raffi. Oh, Raffi, are you ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay, please start now.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Raffi. I'm class Q and LKP Mr. D, batch 23. I would say thank you to Miss Delis for
Who has given
me attention for to present my presentation about the space. Let's begin. In the outline, I have definition, cost, profit, benefits for the future, and disadvantages for human, Q&A, and conclusion. Stimulant question. Could human ever build a city on another planet and call it home?
Yes, it could.
Okay. Definition. Water space is a vast, limits expanse located beyond Earth's atmosphere, almost vacuum, where planets, stars, and galaxies exist, and the star, and etc. The cost. Short trip to space costs around $250, while going to the East Coast, 15 million trips on the moon costs billions, and maybe will be expensive and another year and 10 years ago. 10 years
Later.
later. And the profit of astronaut to into space is advanced technology, creating new economic opportunities, expanding knowledge, and inspiring humanity. And the number two, technology business opportunity in satellite, like TV and Wi-Fi and what communication. Tourists understanding universe, like what is the moon, what is the sun, what is the space. Searching for new resource and motivating young people to study science because studying science is very very important to the future and is very important. Benefit for the future, the technology, business opportunity in satellites and tourists, understanding the universe, searching for new resources like meteorite and etc., and motivating young people to study science. This advantage for human is extremely high cost, like to be I say before, then will be expensive to kedepannya apa Miss?
For the future.
For the future and fatal accident, for example, crash in the middle perjalanan and psychology for the astronaut because in the space is very very sunyi itu apa Miss?
Sorry, sulit.
Sunyi.
Sunyi. What do you mean? Gimana kalimatnya?
Apa sih kayak luar angkasa tuh sunyi banget kan itu juga ngeganggu psikologi astronot gitu.
Let's like quiet.
Like physical effect and from isolation. And Q&A is open.
Okay, please. One question for Raffi.
Aku miss.
Okay, please, Rizal.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Jatah Yadi from class Q and LKP batch 23. Do you think humans will be able to live on another planet like Mars in the future? Why or why not?
Yes, gimana? 1-2 pertanyaannya?
Satu, cuman mengapa atau mengapa tidak?
Mengapa tidak? Hah?
Ya.
Bisa atau tidak?
Do you
gitu.
think?
Oh, bentar Miss.
Oke, Rizal,
Bisa atau
please.
tidak?
Rizal, please explain. Ucapkan satu kali lagi. Dan Raffi try to understand ya. Please, Rizal.
Do you think humans will be able to live on another planet like Mars in the future? Why or why not?
Okay.
Please.
Thank you, Rizal, for your question. Yes, but it may require additional time and cost.
Is it relate? Is it answer your question, Rizal?
No, miss, clear.
Oh, clear. Okay, so continue.
And in the conclusion, outer space offer many opportunities and new knowledge, but also comes with significant risk. We must balance exploration with safety and responsibility. And thank you. That's all for me. I apologize. I have many mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. From the title itu the space. Raffi di sini belum menunjukkan luar angkasanya. Karena space itu artinya jarak atau misal apa ya, space itu ruang. Itu tidak menunjukkan luar angkasa. Kalau misal Raffi menyimpan di outer space itu masih mungkin. Oke. Jadi di sini judulnya masih kurang, Raffi.
Siap, Miss.
Oke. Thank you. Kemudian name Muhammad Raffi, kelas Q, LKP Mr. D, batch 23. Oke, aman. Hanya di judulnya ya, nanti perbaiki kembali. Next. Outline, definition, cost, profit, benefits for the future, dia, advantage. Itu typo.
Typo, Miss.
Disadvantages mungkin ya. For human. Ini
Ya.
terlalu panjang sebenarnya poinnya ya. And then Q&A conclusion. Oke, next. Oke, good. Student questionnya critical juga. Next. Definition. Nah, sama tadi seperti Rizal, di sini two full text, kemudian Raffi tadi hanya membacakan saja ya. Oke.
Ada tambahan, Miss?
Iya betul, tapi ini masih terlalu full text. Tambahannya hanya 1-2 kata kan. Dari eksis apa
Oh,
gitu
iya.
ya. Next. Cost. Nah, saya ingin Raffi tolong ucapkan kembali angka cost around berapa itu.
Bentar. $250.
Terus yang 03 di belakangnya apa?
Aduh, lupa lagi, Miss, bahasa Inggrisnya.
Nah, Raffi, kamu itu partisipan terakhir. Kalau misal ada hal-hal yang bingung, kamu lebih banyak waktu daripada yang lain untuk mencari. Betul? Raffi terakhir kan?
Betul.
Kemudian tadi,
Ya.
Miss bahasa Inggrisnya Sunyi apa? Miss bahasa Inggrisnya ini apa? Sebenarnya kan tadi Raffi itu paling terakhir, punya banyak waktu, right? Raffi bisa cari.
Ya.
Oke, it's okay. Nanti belajar lagi ya pengucapan yang angka ini, kemudian seperti apa. Next. Oke. Nah, di sini tadi bagus dijelaskan. Yang especially yang poin kedua, kalau poin 1 saya hanya mendengarnya tuh hanya dimention saja. Kalau poin kedua itu ada disebutkan manfaat di daily life katanya. Nah, kemudian pengucapan ini nih, satellites ya guys, bukan satelit. Satelit itu bahasa Indonesia. Pengucapannya adalah satellites, oke? Next, Raffi. Nah, di sini sepertinya terlalu full text, Raffi. Mungkin benefit dengan disadvantages boleh dipisahkan slide ya. Oke.
Oh, siap, Miss.
Nah, kemudian benefitsnya kan di sini koma-koma ya, berarti lebih dari 1 kan? Betul?
Ya.
So you have to put benefits,
Betul.
ada S-nya ya, Raffi. Dan disadvantages-nya juga kan lebih dari 1 ya. Put S di belakang advantage, oke? Jadi disadvantages. Next, Raffi. Ada lagi? Oke, Q&A. And then next. Conclusion. Okay, I think this is full text. But it's okay lah. And the last, say thank you ya. Oke. Sekarang saya ingin feedback tentang performance-nya. Raffi coba pelan-pelan dalam menjelaskannya, tidak usah terburu-buru. Kalau terburu-buru, nanti ada kata-kata yang ingin diucapkan, tapi kurang jelas jadinya Raffi ya.
Oh, siap, Miss.
Nah, kedepannya santai saja pembawaannya. Karena Raffi punya waktu sendiri, teman-teman yang lain juga punya durasi sendiri. Jadi tidak usah khawatir terburu-buru. Santai saja ya, Raffi.
Ya, Miss.
Okay, that's good. So thank you so much, Raffi, for your performance. And Rizal, for the question to Raffi ya. So, guys, untuk feedback lebih jelasnya, kalau misalnya tadi kalian lupa lagi, aduh Miss Delis ngasih feedback apa ya, nanti saya share rekaman ini ya ke grupnya, oke? Jelas? Is it clear?
Ya.
Jelas,
Oke.
Miss.
Oke.